fix Instagram story, sorry, this photo cannot be loaded, problem. So if you want to fix Instagram story, sorry, this photo cannot be loaded, problem, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have the internet connection, then it won't load the photo. So make sure that you're using your Wi-Fi or your mobile data, whichever is working. And then you need to open up your Instagram. After opening, now just simply go and refresh your page or your feed. And after refreshing your feed, go with a photo and it will load. But if it still doesn't load, then you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And from there, you need to just simply scroll down and you'll find an option of help right here. You need to tap on help. Once you find, tap on it. Under help and support, you need to go with report a problem. And then just go with report problem without shaking. And just wait for a few seconds. And then if you have any screenshots of the picture not loading, then you can just simply go with include and continue. Or if you don't have any screenshots or something, then you can just simply go with don't include. And now you need to briefly explain what happened. So you need to write that I'm unable to load the photo even with my internet connection. It's not loading. And then just simply go with send, which will be in the top right, and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.